Craving the fiery kick of homegrown chili peppers, known as Mirchi? Growing your own is easier than you might think. Let's explore how to cultivate these spicy delights right in your home garden or balcony. Chili peppers add heat and flavor to countless dishes and are rich in vitamins A and C. Plus, with a range of varieties from mild to extra hot, you can choose the perfect spice level for your palate. Chilies need a long growing season, so it's best to sow seeds indoors from late winter to mid-spring. They thrive in warm, sunny spots, making them ideal for greenhouses, sunny windowsills, or directly in the ground in warmer climates. Sow chili seeds in moist, peat-free multi-purpose compost and keep them in a heated propagator or on a warm windowsill. Once the seedlings have their first true leaves, transplant them into individual pots to encourage strong root development. When the risk of frost has passed and your plants are sturdy, transplant them into their final growing positions. Space chili pepper plants 18 to 36 inches apart in rows that are 24 to 36 inches apart to ensure adequate airflow and growth. Chilies prefer well-draining, fertile soil and need consistent moisture. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Support taller varieties with stakes and monitor for pests like aphids or whiteflies, treating them promptly if detected. Depending on the variety, chilies are ready to harvest in about 60 to 150 days from planting. Pick them when they reach their full size and color for the best flavor and heat. Growing your own chili peppers is a rewarding way to spice up your cooking and enjoy fresh produce. Have you tried growing chilies at home? Share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips from Vibrant Gardens. Happy planting!